Man, being very honest.
Oh, yeah,
He does have a pistol on him. He's very compliant. We're going to take him out from that side, move the pistol, and we'll go from there.
Get up.
Yeah, you're good.
Where's your pistol at on?
On my side.
So put your hands on the top of the vehicle for me.
Appreciate it, man, being very
Oh,
honest.
yeah,
Oh, shit.
You okay? Put the gun down.
Put down. You got shot in the leg, 2162. He rescued 1068. Tourniquet.
I got it.
2162. Can you let rescue know that tourniquet's applied to his right leg?
I got it. Crank it down, man. It's got to stop.
And we got to do that, brother.
I got to cut his clothes off.
Bottom up.
I got to see where your hit broke.